here's a battery on a 2001 Chevy Trailblazer, which you already know that because you read the title. And man, what a pain. Let's get started on this. This purple tab right here, pull that out, just pull it out, push down. I'm gonna do that negative 10mm battery terminal. Okay, your battery should never take that long. This battery, it actually took the metal with it too. It was like welded on there, so that's fun. All right, so that's done. Now, these, you gotta take all these off, but they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So you really can't mess these up. All these little ones are 10mm. Okay. So these are the clips you need to get, the 1, the 2, and the 3. Mine was just welded onto that battery terminal like the other one was. Okay, so we have 2 battery tie downs. We got this one. There's a 13. And here's a 10. Chevy really doesn't want this car going anywhere. There's another battery tie down right here, which you guys can't really see, but it's also a 13mm. You can't see it, but anyways, here's the bolt. And all you gotta do is just take the handles and lift it out. Alright, sorry for all the background noise, we're outside. So I got the new battery in. As you can see, I did have to remove right over here this little ground mount. I'll show you how to put back on, which is the exact same way you're going to take it off. I did have to remove that, not to remove the battery, but to put it in. With all these wires hanging every which way, it was an absolute pain to get this battery in and out. Alright, so before we continue, we can go ahead and remove this battery cover right there. And before you end up a meme on someone else's channel, they always put a cap over those, so just remove that cap. Sometimes they do it for you, but yeah, if not, just remove that cap, because again, that's embarrassing. All right, so we're gonna put this back up top. And then we're going to take this long one, and again, can't show you it because you can't film it, but put your battery in, set that rubber grommet up there, and put your 13mm bolt back. That one I will tighten down first. And you can tell, you know, the battery kind of went back into place. So now we're gonna put back this 13 millimeter. Just right here, perfect. Oh, now we're gonna do this 10 millimeter. You don't have to go crazy tight with those. You do not want to crack this case. And now we're going to put back the negative battery terminal, which this whole thing is attached to. Okay, kind of got to finesse it in there. Now we'll tighten up this positive terminal. Yep, unlike the last person who did this, you do not have to, or maybe it was from the factory, that would make more sense, but yeah, you don't have to tighten that down too much. All right, I'm gonna start right here just because that's what I want to do. Again, they're all labeled and these are all labeled, so we know that these are 4 and 5, so we'll go 4 and 5. Four. 3. And the two big ones are 2, 1. Well, I'm not gonna worry about those right now because I'm gonna hop over here and let's get these all lined up. So this is 0, 9, 8, 7, 6. Here, do this. Now we'll just add the negative battery terminal, tighten that up, 10 millimeter. And now don't forget your little wire connector right here. Lock that in, push that down here. Now double check your work. We didn't touch that, so that's in there, battery tie down, those are done, that's done. Last thing to do is clamp that down right there. And as far as this one, it just clips back into place here, here, up here. And then 2 of these little plastic push, done. Done. All right, now everything's back in place. All your tools are out, make sure. And that's how you replace the battery. That's it.